In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your very own secure wallet to store your cryptocurrency using the Exodus wallet. Now, before we begin, if you're new here, a very warm welcome to the channel. My name is Sash, and I believe that every one of us should be financially educated so that we can build financial independence. Therefore, this channel will be dedicated to teaching you all about business, entrepreneurship, investing, wealth building, and even cryptocurrency. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button and bell notification so you don't miss out on future content. Let's jump into the video. In order to get access to the Exodus wallet, you have to head over to exodus.com. Now, cryptocurrency can be stored in different ways with different levels of security. You've got browser wallets, you've got software wallets, cloud wallets, hardware or cold storage wallets, and each one of them have both pros and cons. I'm going to be showing you how to use Exodus Wallet, which is a cloud-based wallet. That means you can access this wallet using any device, as long as you have access to your private key, or in other words, your seed phrase. Okay, and the first thing you want to do is head over to exodus.com and you want to click on the download button here. So once you do that, you'll be asked to choose which kind of version you want. Now, again, you can get this on your phone, so it makes it really, really cool, really easy to track your investments, to track your cryptocurrency holdings and how they're performing. And here on the left side, you get to choose the browser version. So since I'm on a Mac, I'll probably just choose Mac and hit download. The nice thing about Exodus is that it also connects to the Trezor hardware security key wallet. So this, I believe, will store your private keys, and that allows you to securely log in. I personally don't have a Trezor right now, so I can't show you that. So anyways, I have already downloaded it. I'm going to head over to the downloads folder to show you how the installation process works. So again, simply just follow the prompts here. So this is the Exodus installation. Very simple, just drag and drop if you're on a Mac. And then you should already have the thing installed. Okay, when you are ready to start working with it, simply click on the launch pad in my case here, or the start menu on Windows. All right, it says you want to open from internet, say open. So when you open it up, it'll ask you if you want to log in here. Now it's detecting that I already have a wallet installed. So again, I'm gonna have to just log in here to my existing account. And this is the interface that you will be presented with. It'll tell you what kind of assets you've got available, what your balance is right now. As you can see, that's my balance right now. And the nice thing about Exodus is that it is so user-friendly and so simple to use. So there are a couple features here that you should probably know about. So let's say, for example, you want to store your Bitcoin. Well, how do you do so? You click on the Bitcoin button, or whatever asset class you have here. You click on that asset class. And then you want to choose the receive button. Okay, so you click on receive, and then that's your receiving address. All you've got to do is copy that address, and then you'll be able to send your coins to your Exodus wallet. So here are a couple other features that I think is really, really cool inside of Exodus. The first thing is, of course, you can see your entire holdings here as a pie chart, which is really, really nice. But you also have the ability to exchange coins. This is kind of convenient if you don't have access to an exchange, or maybe you don't like using an exchange. Personally, though, from my experience, the fees on Exodus are exorbitant. Okay, do not use their exchange. Unless you absolutely have to, because they're just absolutely crazy. So let's say I want to exchange 0.01 Bitcoin. Okay, notice that's $560 worth, but I'm only receiving $531 worth of ETH. That is actually very expensive. You're not going to be paying that on the actual blockchain. So how Exodus works is they will be the middleman that actually does the exchange for you. Okay, so they'll probably give you a little message saying processing time like within 10 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes or whatever it is. Do your exchanges on another platform like Binance, and then use something like Exodus to store your information securely. Okay. So another thing that's really nice about Exodus is that you can start earning some compound interest using crypto. So very similar to the staking platforms like the ones I covered on the channel previously. Here you can see the different kinds of coins that you can stake. So here on this particular compound interest investment, they've just got the DAI. Here you can basically purchase Exodus shares in case you're interested in that. Security wise, I highly recommend that you enable auto lock so that it keeps your device locked at all times when you're not using it. The backup section here allows you to reset your password or to back up your secret recovery phrase. Okay, so that's something that I highly recommend. When you do set this up, you actually go through the process of setting up your secret phrase. All right, so there you have it, guys. That is a little bit about Exodus and how you can use it to store your cryptocurrency. It is a multi-currency wallet, which means you can store a number of different coins. You can also mine directly into your Exodus wallet just by using your receiving address on the mining pool. So for example, if you're mining on Easel, you can mine both ETH and Zilliqa and have them come straight to your wallet. Okay, so you don't have to go through any exchange like NiceHash or anything like that. So that's a really cool way to securely hold your coins. Again, like I said, use it if you like the option of accessing your coins over the cloud. Please, please, please do yourself a favor and keep your secret seed phrase very, very safe. Okay, do not share your secret phrase. Make sure you save it securely and probably print it out, keep it in your safe, something like that. Okay, so or try and encrypt those files if you can, and then only access them when you really, really need to. So hopefully you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. We really appreciate it, and also it'll help more people find this video and thereby will serve more people. Again, if you are new here, please consider subscribing. And that way you don't get to miss out on future content. I plan on releasing videos more regularly right now. I also plan on live streaming every week to show you how my portfolio is doing. So that was a little glimpse for you there. But I'll also show you how I got up to that point every single day, what I'm earning, what I'm compounding, and how I'm actually building that portfolio out. So if that's something you're interested in, please, again, consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.